Good morning, Grandma. What are you doing?
Good morning, baby. I'm getting water. I am going to wash clothes.
Wash clothes? Can I help you?
Yes. Come and help me. 1, 2, step with me, sweetie.
1, 2! It's like dancing on water!
Now rub the clothes.
Rub, rub? Like this?
Yes, very good. Let's rinse the clothes.
Splash, splash, they're clean.
Now wring them dry. Let me wipe your face.
Splash, now you are wet!
Oh, you naughty girl.
Look, all the clothes are hung up.
The sun will dry them soon.
I love washing with you, Grandma.
I love you too, baby.